Revolutionizing window experience. Push-out gas spring bar windows. The push-out gas spring bar window opens fully to allow natural light to flood into the room. The push-out gas spring bar window is designed for easy opening and closing. Even with larger dimensions, the gas springs smoothly and securely opens the window, firmly holding it in place when closed. Push-out gas spring level windows feature a sleek, modern design that complements various architectural styles. When opened, only two gas springs are visible, creating a streamlined look that enhances the aesthetics of your space. These metal ball end fittings are our usual window gas spring fittings. It is a metal wire used to secure the middle ball head nail. Secure the metal ball end fittings at both ends of the gas spring. The length of the gas spring can be customized according to the size of your window. Secure the metal ball end fittings at both ends of the gas spring. Of course, the size of the metal ball head should also be selected according to the actual requirements. If you want to learn more about the dimensions for the selection, please feel free to contact us. Window gas springs are able to cope with extreme weather and operate reliably without making noise.